now again. Okay, so we went to the store to buy Mart today to get kind of random odds. Oh yeah, and I saw this Pez, which I thought was really appropriate to add to my Duffy collection, so I had to get it. We stood in the cleaning aisle for like probably 10 minutes, and we were like reading the back of all of the different cleaners, the directions, and the surfaces that you could use them on. We also got these Peep. But as you can see, they're male Peeps, which I find a little bit inappropriate. I kept telling Marissa about this, and she was like, yeah, maybe they're tails. And I was like, they're on the front. And she's like, they're flat. And at that point, I just dropped the conversation because I knew it was hopeless to explain, because they're obviously, I don't know if you can see, they're obviously not flat. So they couldn't possibly be tails unless they had tails in the front, which just makes sense. So then as we were talking a few minutes ago, she's like, oh, it is in the front. That's so weird.
I'm not going to say it's my fault, because it's not. It's the school's fault for their policies of unplugging the refrigerator when you go on break. We came back from break. A little while later, we noticed that there were green spots all over the inside of the fridge.
Surprise!
Surprise, because the freezer, like the frosty stuff inside the freezer, melted and made a big puddle all over the fridge, and we left, and the water from the freezer molded and just sat there. And so we have green spots in our fridge, and it's really gross, and I don't know why we're telling the whole internet about this.
Kind of embarrassing, but like she said, it's not our fault.
And we waited, 4 days.
We were sort of in this avoiding the fridge. Get dinner.
So we're going to clean the fridge. And I brought the bathroom garbage can because I didn't want to contaminate ours. The directions for use are: turn nozzle to spray. Spray soiled areas and wipe with paper towel or cloth. For heavily soiled areas, repeat as necessary. And I don't know if our fridge is heavily soiled. I don't think it is. It's just a few little spots.
Alright, shall I spray?
Scared, Emily. The magic spray really worked! It disappeared! The mold is gone! Yay! Just kidding. Don't get it in my hair, Emily.
Uh-oh, we only have one more. Okay, one. One more?
Yeah. Ew, it splashed on me.